My beloved child, as your eyes move across these words, may a gentle peace descend upon your thoughts and may a quiet calm slowly settle into the deepest corners of your heart. I come to you not with noise or fear, but with softness, truth, and compassion. I greet you with blessings that surround you even when you are unaware of them, and I speak to you now because your soul is ready to listen. I know your journey has been heavy at times. I know how often you carried pain silently, choosing strength on the outside while your heart trembled within. I know the nights you lay awake, holding back tears, questioning your worth, wondering why life seemed harder for you than for others. I have seen every effort you made when no one clapped for you, every sacrifice you gave without recognition, every moment you stood back up even when you felt exhausted. Nothing about your struggle has gone unnoticed. Today, however, I speak to you not about pain but about resolution. I come bearing good news that your soul has been waiting for. The karmic weight you carried from past cycles has now been balanced through the goodness you have lived in this life. Your sincere intentions, your quiet kindness, your willingness to help without expectation, these have rewritten your destiny. Trust this truth deeply. The phase of intense struggle is nearing its end. The doors that once remained closed are beginning to unlock. New opportunities are aligning in your path, especially in your work and purpose. What once felt distant is now drawing closer. You are not chasing your dreams anymore, you are attracting them. Positive people, supportive energies, improved health, financial stability, and recognition are naturally finding their way to you because your karmic frequency has changed. Understand this, my child. Many fear me because they misunderstand my role. They believe I exist only to bring hardship and suffering. But I am not a force of destruction. I am a force of refinement. I do not come to break your spirit, but to remove what weakens it: ego, illusion, fear, and complacency. When I test you, I test your patience, your integrity, and your courage. I do not punish blindly. I simply reflect what is sown. Light returns to those who choose light. Correction comes only where growth is needed. In your case, I witnessed something rare. You chose transformation before force was required. You acknowledged your mistakes, corrected your path, and softened your heart even when life hardened around you. You helped others when you had little yourself. You gave without counting. That is why your past karmas no longer bind you. Your good deeds now shine like a lamp in darkness, illuminating not only your path but the paths of others as well. You may still wonder why your road was so steep, why betrayal found you, why loneliness followed you even when you were sincere. Know this truth. Sometimes people are removed from your life because they block your evolution. Sometimes doors are closed because better ones must open. Sometimes solitude is given not as punishment but as preparation. Silence strengthens focus. Loneliness sharpens purpose. When you felt abandoned, I was closer than ever. When tears fell, I counted each one and transformed them into unseen blessings. You walked through the fire of karma, and now you emerge refined, not broken. The chapter of survival is closing. A chapter of alignment is beginning. Success will no longer feel forced. It will feel natural, earned, and steady. Good souls often suffer deeply because they carry larger destinies. Ordinary paths are not given to those meant to create impact. You were tested not because you were weak, but because you were capable. Hard battles are reserved for strong spirits. Lift your head now. Do not look back at your past with regret or bitterness. Look forward with trust. The karmic cleansing is complete. The universe is now rearranging itself in your favor. Where there was lack, there will be flow. Where you were unheard, you will be acknowledged. Where effort felt invisible, recognition will follow. Your inner world is changing. Your thoughts are clearer. Your decisions are firmer. Career paths that felt blocked will open. Financial growth will stabilize. Respect will replace doubt. Yet remember, keep your heart pure. Help others not for validation, but for love. Action weighs more than prayer. The soul's vibration cannot be hidden. I guide those who live in truth, who remain honest in both abundance and scarcity. Those who betrayed you will face their own lessons. You need not seek revenge. Justice unfolds naturally. I stand between you and every form of negativity. You are protected because your intentions are clean. Soon, signs will appear, small confirmations that what you are reading is real. Unexpected moments, helpful people, sudden openings. Your energy is rising. Your soul is remembering its purpose. Repeat within yourself that you are ready to receive what belongs to you. Nothing you endured was wasted. Every sacrifice returns multiplied. Your destiny is turning. You are becoming unstoppable because you have learned humility, patience, and faith. Now, take a breath. Feel peace enter your mind. Feel strength fill your body. Know that you are guided, loved, and never alone. And from this place of stillness, let your heart speak. God, I come before you with humility and trust. You know my journey more deeply than I ever could. You saw my tears, my silent prayers, my unspoken fears. I place all my worries into your hands. Cleanse my heart of fear, doubt, and resentment. Replace them with peace, clarity, and courage. Teach me to act with love and wisdom. Strengthen my mind during challenges. Remind me that struggles prepare me, not punish me. Guide me toward the right people and remove those who harm my growth. Bless my work, my dreams, and my efforts. Grant me stability, health, and abundance through honest means. Protect me from visible and invisible negativity. Heal my body, my emotions, and my spirit. Thank you for delays that protected me, lessons that shaped me, and love that never left me. I surrender my past, present, and future to you. Shape me into the best version of myself. I trust you completely. Walk forward now, my child. Your time has come. O Bhagwan, Paramatma, eternal witness of all lives, I bow before you with folded hands and a humble heart. As I sit in silence and offer this prayer, I ask that your Shanti descend upon my mind and your Divya Jyoti illuminate my heart. You are beyond form yet present in every form, beyond words yet felt in every breath. You are the knower of all karmas, the silent observer of every thought, every tear, every effort that has ever arisen within me. Nothing in my life has been hidden from you. Before I speak, you already know. Before I ask, you already understand. Today I come not to demand, but to surrender, not to complain, but to trust, not to question, but to remember who I am under your divine shelter, Bhagwan. You have witnessed my journey across time, across births, across unseen layers of existence. You know the weight I have carried, some of it visible and much of it silent. You saw the nights when my heart felt heavy, when my mind was restless, when faith trembled but did not break. You saw me smile outwardly while storms raged within. You saw me choose Dharma even when Adharma appeared easier. You saw me rise again and again after falling, sometimes without strength, sometimes without hope, yet always with a spark of belief that you were guiding me even when I could not feel you. O Ishvara, I acknowledge today that every step of my life has unfolded under your cosmic law and that even my suffering was not without meaning. O Lord of Karma, you who govern the sacred balance of action and consequence, I bow to your justice and your compassion. I now understand that you do not punish, you teach. You do not destroy, you transform. Whatever hardships came into my life were not curses but lessons, not rejections but redirections. When you removed people from my path, it was not to leave me alone but to protect my Dharma. When you delayed my desires, it was not to deny me happiness but to prepare me for something purer and more aligned with my soul. When you placed obstacles before me, it was not to weaken me but to strengthen my patience, my vivek, discernment, and my inner resilience. Today, with clarity and humility, I accept that all my experiences were instruments of my spiritual evolution. Bhagwan, I offer gratitude for the karmic cleansing you have allowed me to undergo. Through acts of kindness, service, forgiveness, and silent endurance, you helped me balance the burdens carried from past lives. You guided me to correct my mistakes before harsh lessons were required. You softened my ego, refined my intentions, and taught me the power of selfless action. When I helped others without expectation, when I stood by truth, even when it cost me comfort, when I chose compassion over bitterness, you were working through me. I now bow in gratitude for allowing my good karmas to rise, for letting Dharma slowly replace suffering, and for aligning my destiny toward light. O Narayana, O Mahadeva, O Devi Shakti, you who exist as sustainer, transformer, and creative force, I surrender my mind, body, and soul at your lotus feet. Guide me always toward my soul purpose. Remove from me laziness, illusion, fear, and arrogance. Let my actions be pure, my intentions honest, and my heart clean. Teach me to serve without pride, to give without expectation, and to love without attachment. May my life become an offering, every breath a prayer, every action a step closer to truth. Let me never forget that I am merely an instrument, and you are the doer. Bhagwan, protect me from negative energies, visible and invisible. Shield me from jealousy, deceit, and hidden enemies. If someone carries ill will toward me, dissolve it through your divine intelligence. I do not seek revenge. I place justice in your hands, for you alone know the full karmic equation. Guard my thoughts so they do not become poisoned by anger or resentment. Guard my tongue so it does not speak words that harm. Guard my heart so it does not harden due to pain. Let your protection surround me like kavach, strong and unbreakable, allowing only truth and positivity to enter my life. O Supreme Guide, bless my work and the path of my livelihood. Remove stagnation and open doors aligned with my destiny. Where confusion exists, grant clarity. Where fear arises, grant courage. Where effort feels unseen, grant patience. Let opportunities come to me not through manipulation but through merit, not through haste but through divine timing. Grant me financial stability earned through honest work and righteous means. Give me wisdom to use wealth responsibly, to share abundantly, and to remember that prosperity is meaningful only when it uplifts others. Let success never intoxicate my ego, and let humility remain my constant companion. Bhagwan, heal me completely, body, mind, emotions, and soul. Remove disease, anxiety, and exhaustion. Let prana flow freely within me. Let my sleep be peaceful, my thoughts calm, and my heart light. Where past wounds still ache, pour your healing grace. Where memories still hurt, bring forgiveness. Where I feel broken, rebuild me gently with love. Let every cell of my body vibrate with life, balance, and divine energy. Let my presence itself become soothing to others, a reflection of the peace you instill within me. O Jagat Pita, guide me toward the right people and away from harmful associations. Remove from my life those whose energy blocks my growth, not with bitterness, but with grace. Bring into my life souls who value truth, loyalty, and compassion. Let my relationships be grounded in mutual respect and dharma. Teach me to recognize when to hold on and when to let go. Grant me emotional wisdom so I do not attach where detachment is required and do not detach where love is meant to flow, Bhagwan. Strengthen my faith during moments of uncertainty. When progress feels slow, remind me that seeds grow silently beneath the soil. When I feel tired, refill me with inner strength. When I doubt myself, remind me that you chose this path for me because I am capable. Let me remember that struggles are preparations, delays are protections, and silence is often sacred guidance. Teach me to trust your timing completely, even when my human mind seeks immediate answers.